Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the health benefits of eating salad gourd. Salad gourd, also known as Rick gourd or Luffa acutangula, is a nutritious vegetable with several health benefits. Here are some of its advantages. Nutrient rich. Salad gourd is low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamin C and A, fiber and minerals like iron and magnesium. Aids digestion. The fiber content in salad gourd can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Heart health. The potassium and dietary fiber in salad gourd are beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps maintain a healthy blood pressure, while fiber can help reduce cholesterol levels. Weight management. Being low in calories and high in fiber, salad gourd can be a great addition to a weight loss diet as it can help you feel full with fewer calories. Boost immunity. Salad gourd is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for a healthy immune system. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Hydration. Salad gourd has a high water content which can help keep you hydrated, especially in hot weather. Skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in salad gourd can help promote healthy skin and reduce signs of aging. Detoxification. The fiber in salad gourd can help cleanse the digestive system and promote detoxification. Including salad gourd in your diet can be a healthy choice offering a range of health benefits. If you like the above video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, thanks for watching.